Hello?
Hello, do you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sorry, actually, I was in class. I'm a digital marketing trainer, and that's why I was a little bit slow as the replying to you. And that's my another account. So I have many account in Fiverr because need more clients to handle anything. So
No, no problem.
I'm from Bangladesh and I'm a digital marketing trainer. So can you little bit brief me about your service, what you did earlier, and what you want, so that I can easily understand your motives, what you want to run the campaign, that I can easily understand the objectives of your campaign. Okay.
Okay, so first is, do you know anything about a campaign? Like, no, have you heard of Kickstarter campaign, Indigo campaign? Do you know what a campaign is? So, campaign,
Basically, I run and execute any campaign. It could be any businesses. Okay, so before doing
okay,
anything, we have to do keyword research, like what kind of audience you want. Suppose related to your businesses, I have paid tools like Ahrefs. I do first find out the audiences. Okay, so
okay,
then try to find the exact keywords, like your business is fashion, so we have to find out the fashion related customer, like the women fashion, like anything else. Okay, then we have to find the perfect match keywords. That means people, how many way they find us. Okay, so then we will track all the audience, then we will concise, we will select the audience placement, like Instagram, Facebook, it could be stories, it could be the feeds. Okay, then we will execute like test campaign with a small amount, like per day $20. Then we'll see that how it react, because you invest per day $100, $150, and it's a huge amount of money after 7 days. If I think about that, then we can see around 2 days that I will run two test campaign. One is one targeting, another is the different than the previous. Then I will see the which is the perfect and match your services. Okay, so it's called the test campaign, split test campaign. And I will also see your previous campaign, what you did and how the campaign react, and how the audience react to your ads, and how was the campaign goal, and how the audience and traffic you can bring to your store. Then I will make a decision and do analyze, then we'll set up the campaign. That's my goal basically, for it could be any business. Okay.
so let me tell you a little bit about what we are and what is the whole plan. Okay, so we are a cooking website.
Yes.
Okay, so we have our Instagram page, we have our Facebook page, all that. So it's a cooking website. Okay, now what we are doing is we have good Instagram and all that. Now what we are doing is this is a startup. You know what is a startup?
Yes, startup is new business, like
Yeah.
you have
So
many vision to grow your businesses, but startup is a primary based company, like you start new, right?
yes. So it's a tech company where people are registering, they're showing their recipes and everything. So we have our Instagram, Facebook, and all that. And in all that, we are promoting people to come and cook and show their recipes on our website. Now, what we are doing is we are raising money for our startup. Okay, so when you are raising money, you raise money on a different website. You go on their website and you create a page. Okay, let me show you. So now we have created a page. Now this is a page. So now what we are doing is I want people to come on this website and invest money in our startup. So the audience that we are looking for is different from our cooking audience. Our cooking audience are just coming on our website and adding recipes. But this audience is I want the audience who are investors in startups. Like, there is a whole different group of people who invest in startups. They invest in technology startups, social media startups, finance startups, different startups. So these are investors. These are different from our existing users who are cooking enthusiasts. These are investors. So we I want to promote this. If you click on this, you will see that it's a page where we are telling about our company and we are telling these investors to invest money. So even if you use our
Actually, I
Instagram
just
account,
interrupt here. Okay, fine. People will upload their videos. We have two types of audience. One, they will make recipes uploaded here, and other one, they will invest their money. So why they will invest their money for increase your businesses, or they will get a return from our businesses? Which?
Okay, so now startup is like how a startup company works is like supposing somebody is opening a tech startup, so usually people invest their money. So when the company grows, it is like shares. You
Oh,
get
like
share, you
share.
buy shares in the company, and when the company grows, you can then sell those shares for more money. So you are selling shares of the company. So
That means
now
people
people
invest
who are
their money for our businesses. They will, like, they are getting a share holder and like a small owner of our company. When our company grow, our company get revenue, they will get also the revenue as a part of their invest, right?
something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. They will get shares, the share value goes up, and then they can sell the shares for more money. So these are investors.
Okay.
So what I'm doing right now is we are growing our cooking website on our own, but now we are raising money for our startup. So to raise money on our startup, we are raising money on this website. It's called vfunder.com, and we have a page. There are around 300 companies which are raising money for their different. Everybody has a different website. They have different business. Some are selling automatic cycles, some are selling robots, some are doing space technology. Different companies are having different business ideas which they are raising money. Ours is cooking. So we are raising money on this. So usually the target for a space investor and a cooking investor is sometimes the same. It's an investor who invests in companies. They are not necessarily space technologists, or they are not necessarily chefs. They are just investors in company. They put their money and they hope that the company will grow big and they can take their money out. So right now we don't have our existing Instagram account is not. I don't want this to go on our Instagram account, because even if it goes on our Instagram account, it will not be a post on our Instagram. It will be through the Facebook channel. I will be advertising it, and I want to do like we'll be reaching out to these. This is called startup investors, that is the audience. Startup investors, seed investors, then venture capitalists. These are the audience, or investors. These are the audience for it. So it's a completely different audience on our website. We'll be promoting to them. Also, this is not my website. vfunder.com is not my website. This is the place where we raise money. And I have a /KHAL. Like, do you know a little bit about how URLs work? Like vfunder.com /KHAL. KHAL is our page. It's called a campaign. So we are raising money on that campaign. So now in that campaign, what they do is they let you promote your campaign, and then they let you track how the campaign is doing. So in order to track how the campaign is doing, give you something like, see if you can get this.
Okay, share it.
Share. I'm doing a print screen and share screen. Okay, wait, let me do share screen.
Are you Indian,
Share
sir? Are you Indian?
Yes.
I'm Bangladeshi.
अच्छा, आपके Bangladeshi, which is more comfortable for you, English or Hindi? What I can
English,
talk
English.
English, right? Okay. I knew how to speak Bangla, but I forgot. I was in Calcutta for 3 months, but I forgot.
আমি হিন্দি বুঝতে পারি. I can understand the Hindi, but not properly speak out in Hindi.
No problem. Okay, so this is our campaign. Okay, so this is if you see / this is what I was showing you. This is our campaign. If you go on this thing, this is our campaign where we have raised some money over here from 6 investors. So we need to raise more money. This is about the campaign. But if you go over here on just home to the website, you will see that there are a lot of other companies. This is some space company. This is some tech gadget. These people are doing something else. These people are selling games. This is a comic company. Like different businesses are raising money on this. Okay, our company is cooking. We are raising money over here, and then this is the like if you go on tracking, like you'll be able to put on the analytics. They let you put tracking like Google. They'll be letting you put Google Analytics ID here. With this, what will happen is if you're running ads, use our tracking pixel to see how it converts. So over here, supposing if I want to start with YouTube and with Google and Facebook. So once I run ads on Facebook and Google, I'll be able to put those pixel counts over here.
Yes.
And then if I put the pixels over here and if I click save, I will know how many of them are converting. Like the traffic is coming from Google.
I understand. This is a
it'll-
page where we can put our tracking code, like universal code, like Facebook pixel code, and Google Tag Manager ID, so that we can track everything from here. Okay, no
from here
problem.
you'll be like- So this is nothing to do with my website. website. My website is completely different, and it is not. I didn't even want to show you. This is not related to here. This is a cooking platform where people are cooking. We are raising money for this over here on WeFunder.
So which URL we will use for the raise money? Which URL we will use?
The raise money, we will use the one that I gave you in the chat. Like if you see the chat, this is the URL. My idea is you have to come over here on this page. This is the landing page for all the advertisement.
They will show our advertisement, and we have to basically, so main thing is that here we have to find the exact target people. This is the main thing.
Yes.
Those are interest our services, like those are interest our company. Okay, those are the investor, and those are interest in cookies and cookies related company, like that, right?
Not necessarily cooking related companies, because this is it will be very rare for you to find somebody who's investing only in cooking related companies. It will be more easier for you to find investors of companies, people who are investors who invest in different ideas. Like I showed you on the main page, there are different ideas.
Yes.
And there are these investors who invest in these ideas. Their job is only investing. They like to invest in different ideas. There are all different ideas. If you see, everybody has a different idea, and people are investing in different ideas. This is a pet company. They do pet something with the pets. This is a flying car. People are investing in different ideas. So we want them to invest in our idea. So we have to look for investors, and this will not anywhere show in our main Instagram account, because it is not related to the cooking people.
So people, when we run the campaign, we will use this URL, and people see our ads, and they will comes our landing page. Okay, this is the main thing.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to find the people. We have to test, boss, because this is a very good and tough things, and we have to raise our funds. So we have to find out the actual people. So I think we can run 2 or 3 types campaign, different campaign, different target, different campaign. Then we can see that from which campaign brings good traffic and good result. Then we can invest more money into that campaign as a final campaign. Okay, I think that would be the best, because now we don't know which audience is best for us. Okay, so we have to run 2 or 3 campaign. It's small money, like $20 or $50 per campaign, individual campaign, and we will target individual audience. When we do that, you can stay with me so that we can do it better than suppose I have an idea, you have an idea. So if we accumulate the ideas and do together, then that would be perfect for our campaign. Okay, so I think you got my point. We can try the test campaign.
Currently what I have right now with me is in terms of content that I have, I can create more content, but currently I have this content. Let me just open new.
Share your.
Oh, sorry. Where? Okay, let me.
Do you use WhatsApp, boss?
Yes, I do. Okay. Do you see?
Yes.
Do you see my screen now? Okay. So basically, there are these 6 images. I was thinking of making a carousel, like this is telling investment call, more than 150,000 users from all over the world. All has grown organically from this to, and then award-winning team. So far we have raised so much, and click here to learn more. I was thinking, start with a carousel ad, and I mean I can do more. If you tell me, what, Sameer, make a video
images. We will use carousel campaign. We will use video campaign. It could be somehow in Instagram story campaign, because story more views. Suppose I never want to views, but it comes automatically, right? So we can use Instagram story feeds. We can use Facebook feeds and story both, and carousel campaign must, and multiple ads, 2 or 3 types campaign we will run at a time. Then we will see that which campaign brings good traffics and result. Then we will go final campaign and final invest per day, $50, $100 as you think. Okay, we'll it's
okay,
depend
so
on the result.
One more thing is, Also, one more thing is on the Instagram. Okay, let me open my Instagram. Okay, so this is, let me see
Okay,
over
share
here.
again. Stop.
Okay, okay.
Basically, without order in Fiverr, this is very dangerous and critical thing. They blocked our account.
No, I will not deal with you outside of Fiverr. I will pay you on Fiverr only. I just want to know that you know, I'm just giving somebody money. I will not only lose the money that I pay, I will also lose all the advertising money. So I just wanted to know that if you are understanding what we want and if you're capable of doing
So
it.
this is-
Because I've been chatting with a few
This is
people
our
and a lot of the
this is our Instagram page or account.
this is
So for,
this is my Instagram account, and on the Instagram account we are very good on Instagram. We have 3,700 followers on Instagram, and you know, these are our Instagram posts. But these are all cooking related posts, okay? And I don't want our investor post to be one of them, because this is our cooking users don't necessarily have to know that we are raising money for our business and all that. We have a lot of stories
we have to
also.
bring the
My-
traffic into our store, into our fundraising URL. That's the main.
Yes. So basically what it is, you know, you will have to make the ad not on Instagram, but you can use Instagram but through Facebook business
I got
page.
the point, boss.
So if you
I
have,
got the point. We have
Yeah.
to bring the traffic
So-
into our URL, not our Facebook page, not our Instagram.
yeah, so usually like Facebook, and they have a section where you can create an ad. The
I know.
ad will be
I
live to
know.
people.
I teach the people
Yeah.
in social media ads campaigns, so no problem. I got the
No,
point.
no, what I'm saying is, I don't necessarily want them. I want them to come to our ad, because I don't want our regular Instagram users to know about our fundraise. I just want the investors to know that we are raising money and them to come on the investor page. So yeah, and also like I tell you one more thing.
For this type of campaign, boss, content is most important. Okay, content and images, video content, images, you just focus on that, because people who view our ads, they will view our images, they will view our videos, and also content. Okay, like headlines, like ads copy, this is called content. So make a proper content, like 2 or 3 types of different ads copy or content. Okay, that brings our traffic into our website. That is very important for any kind of ads. It could be fundraising or anything. Okay,
So one more thing I want to tell you is, see, with you, I don't necessarily want to do a one and done thing. Okay, if you tell me, Samir, you know what, hire me on a weekly basis, pay me so much every week, and I will continuously test this thing till even after the fundraise is complete, after we raise the money, then we will keep creating for our regular, because after this thing is over, once we have raised the money, now after raising the money, the second thing is we will still be promoting our existing cooking
okay,
website.
boss, no problem.
Now right now we are not doing the cooking thing, we are only doing the investor thing. Even for the investor thing, I am ready to do a weekly thing with you, where every week I'm working with you every week. I'm ready to pay you also every week, in order to make this keep testing, you keep A/B testing, keep getting it better, and it doesn't have to end in 1 week. Again, you can do next week, till this campaign is completely. It's not a one-time budget. In that thing I said $200 a week in the first week and $100 a week every week after that. I can increase that also, and I want you to be engaged in that the whole time. All
Okay,
the
boss,
time.
I got the point.
continuously working.
You looking a long-term relation. I'm also a professional person looking a long-term relation. I will try my level best. No problem. When you want to start?
Okay, you tell me when you want to start. I can start. You want to?
I
you can everything start
before
as early
doing
as-
start, you just prepare the content, images, videos, these things, and I will take the ad manager access, staff access. Okay, then I will do research, because this is a good deal. I have to do research few things, and then we will do start, and I will tell you when we will start, and we run the campaign. Okay.
Okay, I can start as early as tomorrow. You do your research. Tell me how much you want to charge on a weekly thing, and I'll do the payment only through Fiverr. You don't have to.
No,
worry
no,
about
it's
that.
no
I will not
matter.
ask you for-
When you believe and
Yeah.
you understand that yes, I have a quality, I can help your business to grow your business, then you can do outside of Fiverr, but not now.
Okay, so just do the thing. Tell me, Samir.
Okay,
this is
so
the-
what I need,
this is
take my mail,
plan.
take my mail, I'm sending you here.
Just send it to me
No,
on Fiverr
no, in
only. No
Fiverr,
problem.
if I send mail, they will block me.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, my email address is
Uh,
this.
so this is
Now Bangladesh plays cricket, right?
Bangladesh playing cricket, and also we
So if Bangladesh is